Katama sa inami gidok halan ni Bhoi district Aqua Fest arajar arpuar lapun kutno ak arpu pratarik risau arajar arpuar. Badhaka di kesengi ketanat Fisheries kalayok ban play ka office treikam bathamai jongka ya kabala mang tingka nak state scheme. Secretary Ketanat Fisheries kar Sarkar Jilla USC Sadhu ulalong ukong san ban play ka di ka office haga jiran rengkat ka kong MA Kong Jiliu ka officer badai pet ya Ketanat Fisheries dari Bhoi District ka principal ka Meghalaya State Fisheries Research and Training Institute ka kong o kongan lambat kinong try Ketanat haringkat ka jiran lang ki kena skol kinong rap kinong ri dok ha nari Bhoi ki balawan ban sakhi lang ha kete kasngi. Nakaliang ketanat kala IT ru ya ki work order syaki nong rap nong ridok ha ki badayo ji itu naka Meghalaya State Aquaculture R.Not bal IT ya ki artli ki tok syaki arngot ki nong ridok ha nolor ki kusnam syaki nong job ha ka jinga kop drodur halor ka phang Fish for Life ha ka bala wan ban yesem banta da ki khna school ki bana ka tha nong po.
I'm very hopeful that the new office will help the department to reach out to more farmers and also motivate our officers to work hard to improve our services to benefit more number of farmers in the district. As we also celebrate Aqua Fest today, and it is a very opportune moment for all of us to understand where we stand and also what is the roadmap before us to improve fisheries sector. As in the keynote address by SF, it has been clearly highlighted that we have come a long way to see fisheries as a mere recreational sector or just for nutrition, to improve the nutrition of the people.